It is raining pretty darn good. Right when we pulled up to the house, it started dumping. Say hi, bud. Chevy, say hi, dude. So we're just chilling in the truck. He's playing his tablet, and I'm waiting for this to pass before I get out. Cause it's coming down real good. It should pass here in a second, then we're gonna get a little bit more after this, but yeah. See it coming down the windshield. Glad we ain't got nothing to do today. You having fun, buddy? You need your haircut, dude. But then again, we're coming all winter, so you probably want to keep that hair on there. So we're just chilling in the truck for now. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I open up the window a little bit. Oh yeah, okay, now it's dripping in. I need to clean my dang truck. Got too much stuff. There's medicine, syringe, barbecue sauce, pencils, motor oil, coffee can. It's almost done, buddy. We'll go inside here in a second, okay? And it's slowing down. Well, fun times.